poles of equal heights, means AB and CD are two poles of equal height standing opposite to each other on either side of a road. BD is a road, so pole stands opposite to on the other side of the road, which is 80 meter wide, means BD equal to 80 meter. From a point between them on the road there is a point E. The angle of elevation to the top of the poles is 60 degree and angle of elevation to the top is 30 degree. It is given. We have to find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles, means BE and DE we have to find. So let AB and CD are two poles of equal heights. Now let BE is equal to x meter. If BE is x, then DE will be 80 minus x. So DE equal to 80 minus x meter. In triangle ABE, this angle is 60 degrees, so we can write tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree equal to AB by BE. As we know, tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. We know the value of tan 60 degree is root 3 equal to AB by BE is x. So this implies that AB equal to root 3x. Now in triangle CDE, tan 30 degree equal to CD by DE. We know that the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. CD is CD because we have to find this, and DE is equal to 80 minus x. Or this implies that it will be CD into root 3 equal to root 3 into CD equal to 80 minus x. We know that CD and AB are equal. AB and CD are equal, so in place of CD we can write root 3x. So here root 3 is root 3 into root 3x, because CD, the length of CD is root 3x, is equal to 80 minus x. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and x is x equal to 80 minus x, or this implies that 3x, when it comes to this side it will be 4x, 3x plus x is 4x equal to 80. So this implies that x equal to 80 by 4 is equal to 20. So we got BE is equal to 20 meter. Here AB, the height of the pole equal to root 3 into x. So AB equal to root 3 into 20 equal to 20 root 3 meter. The distance of the point from this pole BE equal to x, that is 20 meter. So DE is equal to 80 minus x, that is 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 meter. So we got the answer for. Next is exercise 9.1 number 13. H observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse. Here AB is 75 meter high lighthouse. AB is equal to 75 meter. Now from the sea level, means from the sea level, it is the sea level. The height of the lighthouse is 75 meter. The angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. Here there are two ships at E and C. On the sea, the angle of depression is 30 degree and 45 degree. If angle XAE is 30 degree, then its alternate interior angle, this one, must be equal to 30 degree. And if XAC is 45 degree, then this angle must be 45 degree because it is its alternate interior angle. Now in triangle ABC, tan 45 degree is equal to AB by BC. First we must remind that we have to find the distance between E and C. For this purpose, first we have to find the distance BC. Next we have to find BE, because BE minus BC is EC. So for this purpose, let's find first the distance BC, because AB is given and we know the value of tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is 1. AB is equal to 75 meter and BC is BC. This implies that BC equal to 75 meter. In triangle ABE, tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BE. The value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. AB is equal to 75. BE we have to find. So this implies that BE equal to 75 root 3 meter. Now we have to find the distance CE, that is the distance between the two ships. CE is equal to BE minus BC. BE equal to 75 root 3. BC we find 75. 75 can be taken as common factor, so the remaining is root 3 minus 1. So we got the answer for number 13. Thank you.